Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. So I have a Valentine's Day haul to share with you guys. Some things that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So everything that I'm showing you, y'all already know it is really affordable. So these are my chips. I did go to Walmart today. I did get a bag of chips from Walmart. And they were putting out more of their Valentine's Day decor and Easter. So I got to catch up. I have to catch up because I have content to share with y'all. Valentine's Day content, Easter content. So I need to go ahead and start getting my stuff now. Okay, so I did pick up 2 of these paper plates. These were $1.25. It's a pack of 14 that you get. Really nice paper plates. I got those. And also, I did pick up 2 of these coffee mugs from there as well. The red coffee mugs for $1.25 each. And the inside is a gray color. So these are really, really cute. $1.25, y'all. $1.25. And y'all know with Dollar Tree, you can get really, really creative with the stuff that they have in there. If you do arts and crafts, DIYs, things like that, you can get really, really creative. So they did have these kitchen towels, because y'all know I love me some kitchen towels. But I did pick up 2 of these kitchen towels. These were $1.25 each. And these also come in a gray color. So if you go to Dollar Tree, check it out. I love the gray color, but I didn't get it today. Maybe tomorrow when me and my mom go back, I'll pick up the gray. And plus, they was closing early. We didn't know. So we went in there. I was shopping, and I did want to get some more things. But it was kind of, they were rushing us out the store because they closed early due to the weather. So I don't know, but $1.25 each. And also, make sure my mic is still on. Okay. So I did pick up some napkins. These are the matching napkins to the plates that I just showed you guys. So how cute are these? And I did want to get a solid color white. That's what I wanted to get. But I can find that on the party section when I go back. But yeah, $1.25. And how many you get in here? You get 24 napkins. And I am going to do a DIY, so y'all stay tuned for that. I'm going to do a DIY. Okay. This is my DIY that I'm going to do. I'm going to make a wreath for Valentine's Day. So I did pick up 2 of these styrofoam wreath circle things. These were $1.25 each. And I don't know, maybe this is how they sell them now, but they all were broken in between. So I don't know, maybe that's something new they do. But yeah, these are it. And also I picked up some flowers. Okay, so I'm doing the pink and the red for Valentine's Day. Just something simple. Each stem was $1.25 each. So I think I had got 3 and 3. Hold on, I got 2. Okay, I got 3 of the pink and 4 of the red. $1.25 each. And these are a part of, this is a part of Valentine's Day. These ones aren't. So these are the tea rose florals, and this is the cabbage rose. Tea rose, cabbage rose. Okay. Got those. And I picked up 2 of these trays here. I do have these in gold. They also came from Dollar Tree, but these are only $1.25 each. Okay, so these are for decorative. These are charger plates, but these are for decorative purposes only. So let me see. Yeah, it's not recommended for a microwave and not safe for food. Okay, so just for decoration. Okay, so you can do a lot of things with this as well. And I picked up this cute heart tray for $1.25. It has the confetti on the inside, if you guys can see that. $1.25. Just a cute little dish. It is plastic for $1.25. And of course, I had to get me some gummy bears. So this is a part of the Valentine's Day. These were $1.25 as well. So I got 2 bags of the gummies. And these are some cherry jelly hearts. And these are for me. Yes, I got those as well. Like, I don't know. I like gummy things. And I did pick up some ribbon. I got a lot of ribbon, y'all. $1.25. $1.25 for the ribbon. Oh, my goodness. Beautiful, beautiful ribbon. So this one has, it's a like a beige color, taupe color, and it has the red hearts on it. I got that. And this is wired ribbon. I did pick up, how many of the red? This is red sheer. Picked up 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I picked up 4 of the red sheer ribbon, and then I got 2 of the red ribbon with the white hearts. And they had a candle. This candle was $1.25 as well. This is the scent, apple cinnamon. Okay, for $1.25. So really, really cute glass candle. This is 1 wick. Okay, it's a 1 wick candle. Just a small candle. And y'all know, listen, I love my bleach. Okay, so I picked up 2 of the Chloralin bleach. So this one, what scent is this? Okay, I can't even see what the scent. I don't know what the scent is. Come in a pink bottle, and this one, I think this is just a regular. But yeah, so I'm definitely going to use these for cleaning. And I also picked up these felt pads, okay, for $1.25. And Valentine's Day. So this was the last thing that I picked up. Valentine's Day, y'all. This is so cute. This was only $5. Oops. Oh, I'm up here dropping it. It's slippery. Okay. So this is like a cardboard. Yeah, it feels like cardboard. It is cardboard. And it has the gold around it. So how cute is this? Does this come out? No, it don't. It says Happy Valentine's Day, $5. And they did have this in the pink. And I think the vase was, I want to say it was white with the gold. So you just have to go to Dollar Tree and check it out. But that is my haul. So we're going to get started with the DIY for Valentine's Day.
on your own. I miss the face. Later talk, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and fall, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own door. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know I want more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Later talk, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and fall, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own door. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know I want more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own door. is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now. Never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. I see it in your eyes. You want this even more. Like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind